What's up guys, this is Jones from Engineered Bikers. Today I will be showing to install RX100 center stand for Yamaha R15 V3. We can easily fit this RX100 center stand for V3. This will be costing you around 250 rupees, and you just don't need the center pin for which you will be using for RX100. You just need the long bolt. Just a second. We can easily fix this long bolt in this both two holes, which will be defaultly coming in R15 V3 and V2. We can fix for this both models only. We cannot install for V1. I have already checked with that doesn't come with these two holes, so it will be easy for installation. But this will be only useful for chain maintenance and vehicle maintenance, not for a permanent solution. If you also want to add a permanent center stand, you can contact the dealer nearby you, because we are having defaultly a center stand for R15. It will cost around 1300 rupees. Okay, now I will show how to fix this.